Hello, everyone. In this session, we will understand the second use case, which is attendance settings for the mobile application. When the mobile application is used for attendance, specific additional settings might be necessary based on the organization's policies. For instance, if the live selfie feature is activated, employees will be prompted to take a real-time selfie while recording their attendance. This ensures that the employee is physically present at the work location during punch-in. In another scenario, the organization may allow employees to edit their punch-in or punch-out time when marking attendance through the mobile application. This provision is useful for field staff or remote employees who may not always be able to record their attendance at the precise moment and therefore need the flexibility to input the accurate time manually. In this session, we will understand how to configure these settings within Onfinity. Let us consider a scenario. A construction company employing over 200 on-site workers faces challenges in accurately tracking attendance. GPS tracking alone proves insufficient for this purpose. Workers are recording their attendance without being physically present at the site. Live selfie capture addresses this by verifying each worker's presence through real-time facial authentication. The system provides visual proof of attendance, which helps eliminate disputes with subcontractors over billed hours. This ensures that claimed workdays align with actual physical presence. This outlines the process we will follow to configure the mobile application for attendance. First, we will adjust the mobile application settings and enable image capturing or other relevant settings. We will now proceed with the execution of the use case. To begin, you will log in using your admin credentials. Next, navigate to the main menu. From there, click on HR Mobile Application Settings. You should enable the checkboxes for image for clock in or clock out. Next, choose the image capturing mode, which can be set to either daily or random. Then, enable the one image per day option. If needed, activate the time card editable option to allow users to manually enter their punch time during clock in or clock out. We will now proceed to the web interface to begin the configuration. The initial step involves logging into the system. This is the login page. I will enter the user ID, which is Sonic Admin, and then input the corresponding password to log in securely. Once logged in, we land on the home page, which displays several mosaics. On the right-hand side, you will find the user section. My assigned role is HR Admin, the client is Sonic, and I am selecting the star organization. This is because I will configure all settings at the star level. Then click on Change. Next, I click on the menu bar located at the top left corner and will search for HR Mobile Application, or I will navigate to the HR Management folder. Within the HR Management section, you will find various modules relevant to this session. We will configure the HR Mobile Application setting, which is part of the Attendance Management module. You should navigate to the Attendance Management menu, then proceed to the Attendance Setup folder, and click on the HR Mobile Application Settings screen. If no record currently exists, the screen will automatically open in New Record mode. First, you will see an organization field. Here, selecting the star organization will apply these settings across all organizations. If the settings need to be applied to a specific organization, you can select it from the provided list. Next, locate the checkbox labeled Enable Image for Clock In or Clock Out. This checkbox activates the image capture function during attendance. Once it is enabled, the field Image Capture mode will become visible. This field offers two options, daily and random. When you select daily, the option for one image per day will be enabled. This ensures that only one selfie is captured per day, even when an employee records attendance multiple times. This helps reduce redundancy while maintaining visual verification. Next, the random option is available. When selected, the system will randomly prompt for a selfie during the attendance punch. This method reduces the frequency of photo captures. The next option allows you to enable punch time during attendance punch. Enabling this option allows employees to manually enter or adjust their punch-in and punch-out time. This feature is particularly helpful for field or remote staff who may not always be able to record their attendance at the precise moment. Once these settings are activated, you must click on Save. These settings enable the organization to achieve a balance between control through live verification and flexibility via editable entries, based on their specific operational requirements. This concludes our HR mobile application setting use case for today. Thank you for attending.